Sausage! Bloody hell! Well, that's not the way to go round a roundabout, you sausage on a bike. You're supposed to go round like this. Look. Bloody hell! Hey, sausage! Bloody hell! Oh, we're having a sausage party. We're definitely having a sausage party. Bloody hell! You're in the wrong lane, you sausage. Bloody hell, smells. Buckets and spades and what you call these. That's a silly sausage. Okay, your sausage, just pull out. Hell. That fell. Get some lights on your bike, man, you sausage. Yes, there was a cyclist coming up there in the pitch black. Bloody hell.